Hi, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. I'm here in beautiful Gastown in Vancouver, British Columbia. Let's go check it out. I'm starting my visit to Gastown right in front of the Gassy statue on the corner of Water Street and Carroll Street. He was one of the first settlers of Vancouver. Turning right around, you'll see the Hotel Europe, built in 1908. That triangular shape is called the Flatiron style that's quite popular in Gastown. As you're walking along, you'll hear the clickety-clack of the cobblestones as the cars drive over them. It's the only place in the city with cobblestone streets. So there's a few very iconic things you need to visit when you visit Gastown. One is Gassy Jack, the statue we just saw. The other thing is a steam clock that's just coming up down the street. And the other thing we're going to stop by is the old spaghetti factory. I have great memories of the old spaghetti factory. I actually had my first date here. This place is almost 50 years old, and if you're brave enough, you can check your weight before and after your meal. Inside the restaurant, you can sit in trolley number 53, which was actually used as a public transit trolley in Vancouver. And apparently it's haunted by the tram conductor. If you see him, let me know. The old spaghetti factory is full of old antiques and cool historical things to look at. When you sit down, you'll be served hot sourdough bread with garlic butter. Your meal comes with a salad or minestrone soup and their famous spumoni ice cream and coffee or tea for dessert. It's all included in the price. Gastown is family friendly and has some really unique shops, cafes and restaurants, and is probably one of the best places to pick up souvenirs. There is a parking garage located between Cambie and Abbott on Water Street, not far from the Starbucks. If you're visiting the area, I wouldn't stray too far off Water Street. You'll quickly end up in an area you don't want to be in. I would also avoid this area late at night. All right, so here's the famous steam clock I was talking about earlier. Apparently, there aren't very many functioning steam clocks in the world, but here is one that functions very well. It's actually run by steam and electricity. And it goes off every 15 minutes with the top of the hour being the best show. And as you can see, the clock attracts quite a crowd. The inner workings are powered by descending weights. This is what actually winds the clock. Okay, after all that walking, you're probably hungry again. Grabbing a hot dog is always a great idea. If you're coming to Vancouver from the airport, take the Skytrain all the way to Waterfront Station. You'll be steps away from Gastown. If you've come to Vancouver for a cruise or ending up here after a cruise, Gastown is right around the corner from Canada Place. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Would you please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up? Also, please leave a comment below. I'd love to know where you're from. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. I'll see you next time.